everyone, it's Jenny and I'm back with another Ipsy, ta-da, unbagging, which this is a bigger Ipsy bag. I have the smaller Ipsy bag inside of here plus the actual Ipsy bag. I had ordered an item and I also used some points on an item, so that's why this bag's so huge. So here's the actual smaller bag. I'll show you the extras that I got. And first thing, this is what I purchased, and this is from Pretty Woman. It's a nail polish trio set. I'm actually going to take them out so you can see. And this is, I want to say it's like a fall set. You'll understand when I read you the names. And this is Put a Cork in It, and that's what I'm actually wearing. I think it's a really great fall color. Then this color right here this is Sweeter Than Honey, and I think that is such a pretty nail polish shade. I'm definitely wearing that next week. And then this right here is in the shade Oh My Gourd. Oh My Gourd. And I'm not really sure. This is almost like a brownish, greenish, almost baby pukish color. But it may be really pretty on the nails. So definitely ready for fall with these nail polishes. Like I said, I love the one that I have on, and this is from Pretty Woman. I think this set was like 10 bucks or less, so totally worth it. And so far, the nail polish is holding up good. And then what I purchased with my points was the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I love this mascara. It's probably my top 5 of mascaras. Really love the wand on it, and it's just overall a great mascara, so I wanted to get a mini of that. So let's get into what the bag looks like, which if you see the thumbnail, you'll see this is what the bag looks like. It's got sort of this yellowish, it's got brown, yellow, and some black with the plaid, and I do kind of like it. Totally gives me 90s vibes. At first I was like, I don't know if I like it, but the more I look at it, the more I really like it. And I'm like, it looks very 90s-ish. A little bit, I think of Clueless. And then I just also think of like 90s grunge with the plaid. I love plaid stuff, so all about it. Oh, and there was one item that did not fit in the bag. And we've got some sheet masks. So let me see if I can find the little card that comes with it. And this says, back to work, school life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. Which is, it's good for the month of September. Totally fits the whole theming. Okay, so these sheet masks are from Papa Recipe. It's the Bombay Pour Ampoule Honey and Bombay Pepta Ampoule Honey Mask Duo. I don't know if I pronounced that right or not, but I love sheet masks. I haven't been using them as often, but I still love them. They'll definitely get some use. I may actually use one of these tonight. Okay, now let's dig down here. Let's see what I got. So this is from IPSY, and this is a Radiant Glow Highlighter in Prosecco. Now I'm using an IPSY, it's an IPSY, like their contour kit, and I absolutely love it. So this IPSY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter is, let's see, it retails for $14. Oh, I forgot to tell you what the mask retail for. These are $3.50 per mask. So this is a versatile shade, can be used as a gorgeous shimmer shadow all over your lids. Of course, you could use it as a highlight. Your skin is about to be lit. This is finely milled, super blendable, pale peach highlighter. Instantly pops your features for overall radiance. Plus, it's infused with rosehip seed oil and vitamin E to help nourish your skin and protect from environmental stressors every time you apply. Okay. And this is what it looks like, which this is a really good size. And there we go. There's that. Let's see. Let's watch it and see. So that's what it looks like. And there it is. Very pretty. I will definitely use that. Definitely get some use out of it. That is for sure. Yes. Okay. So what's next? So this is from Sophia+Mabelle Wet Blush. And this retails for $18, a full size. It's the most natural looking blush to come across our desk. This unique wet texture melts into skin to create a realistic looking flush. Blend a tiny bit into the apples of your cheeks for a sheer layer, or layer it for a bolder pop of color. And it says you can also, yeah, it's a blush in Brunch Bar. That's the name. Ooh, that's very, very pretty. And let's swatch this. What it looks like. And I'll put it right here next to the highlights so you can see. Oh yeah, I'll definitely use that. That is very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, so let's see what is next. Next we have, this is from H2O, and this is Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. And the full size of this retails for $28. And I'm pretty sure this H2O brand, I know they actually had stuff at like the Walt Disney World hotels. So I'm pretty sure I have used this brand before. It's the ultimate gel cleanser for sensitive, stressed out, or redness prone skin. This formula uses all natural ingredients to gently remove makeup and help refresh and restart your skin without leaving you feeling tight, dry, or irritated. So it's just it's a cleanser. You know, I can always use these. I like to throw these in travel bags because you know, it's always good to have that. Okay. Am I down to one more item? Just down to one more item. So this is from Purlise, and it's their Radiant Glow BB Cream in light medium. And I'm pretty sure I've received this in Ipsy before, and I'm pretty sure I enjoy it. This multitasking BB cream is made for hectic mornings. A few drops gives your skin dewy, natural looking coverage and protects it from pollution and UV damage. The tiny light reflecting pigments make skin look soft and luminous, no filter needed. And the full size of this retails for $35. And I'm pretty sure I have used this, and I'm pretty sure I liked it. So that was everything for my September Ipsy 2021. So I don't know if you all seen the October bag, but I'm super excited for it. It looks so good. Good for Halloween. If you haven't seen it, you should definitely go check it out. So let me know if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you here. Just hit the little subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post videos, which I usually upload every Monday. And with that, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.